In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PPT with Claude and Canva. To get started, the first thing you want to do is plan your presentation before you open any AI tool. This part is important because the better your direction is, the better the results will be. Decide on your presentation topic, who your target audience is, what the goal of the presentation should be, and how many slides you want to create. For example, your topic could be digital marketing strategies. Your audience could be small business owners, and your presentation could be around 10 to 15 slides. Having that clear plan in mind helps Claude generate content that actually fits your needs. Once you have that ready, open Claude and start a new chat. Then enter a detailed prompt that explains exactly what you want. For example, you can ask it to create a 12-slide presentation on your topic. Include a title slide, an agenda, key points, examples, a conclusion, and a call to action, while keeping the content concise and presentation friendly. Claude will then generate a full slide outline for you, including titles and bullet points, which saves a lot of time during the writing process. After that, review the draft carefully and refine the content as needed. You can ask Claude to simplify the language, add more examples, make it better for beginners, include speaker notes, add a summary slide, or create more engaging slide titles. Keep adjusting the output until you're happy with the overall structure and clarity. When the content looks good, copy the presentation text. That includes each slide title and the bullet points for each slide. If it helps, save everything into a separate document so it's easy to reference while building the design in Canva. Next, open Canva and sign in to your account. From the homepage, click Create a Design, then choose Presentation in the 16 by 9 format. From there, you can either pick a template that fits your topic or start from a blank presentation if you want more control over the design. Now begin customizing your slides by pasting in the content Claude created. As you build, edit the fonts and colors, add icons and illustrations, insert charts or graphs, and upload your own images if needed. Keep each slide clean and easy to read, and try to use short bullet points instead of large paragraphs. You can also enhance the presentation with visuals like photos, icons, infographics, diagrams, charts, and background images. The goal is to support your message visually without overcrowding the slides. Before exporting, review everything carefully. Check spelling and grammar, make sure the slides are consistent, confirm the font sizes are readable, look at image quality, and review alignment, spacing, and the overall flow from one slide to the next. Once everything is finished, click Share, then Download, choose Microsoft PowerPoint as the file type, and download the presentation. Your PPT is now ready to present or edit in PowerPoint.